Copy Blue Departing. We fixed the messages twice.
Okay.
But Andre's got to memorize, so he's been practicing that.
Good, good.
Blue Departing.
Hold on to the hammer. Thank you for your cooperation.
Some reason Blue Train, you know, they go out. Is it just at night or all the day? Is it just at night or all the day? And now it's just like fake, just running out. Andre thinks it flipped a bird. I didn't see it. Jeremy's house. Somewhere over there. Not me. Just in the day when there's kids. Not like when people are sleeping. Gentle honking. Because it has the opportunity to drive until it's 11 at night, 11:08. Beautiful Seattle Center. Okay, where's the yellow liners? Yay! Look at the friends. Oh, they're super cute.
Now arriving at Seattle Center Station. This is our one and only stop. Please make sure you have all of your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the doors on the left side of the train. We hope to see you again soon.
Copy, Blue Departing.
Welcome to
Look
Seattle
at this
Center.
bad boy. Let's
Look
look
at
at
this
this.
bad boy on
Or hold on to the
the
hammer.
rail.
Thank you for your cooperation. Enjoy the ride.
Crazy one. That's supposed to be funny, is it? Okay, full speed ahead.
Oh yeah. Let her rip.
Hope it doesn't knock you off the chair. Wee, wee,
now arriving at Westlake Station. This is our one and only stop. Please make sure you have all of your belongings and watch your step as you exit.